Jeffrey Epstein set to return to court in sex abuse case. New York APU wealthy financier Jeffrey Epstein is set to return to court Wednesday to face sex trafficking charges just days after he was found injured in his cell. U.S. District Judge Richard M. Behrman had scheduled the pretrial hearing before Epstein was found on the floor of his cell last week with neck bruises. It wasn't immediate, the bruises weren't so serious that he was unable to remain at the Metropolitan Correction Center, which is adjacent to the downtown Manhattan courthouse. Epstein, accused of having sex with girls as young as age 14, has pleaded not guilty to sex trafficking charges that carry the potential for up to 45 years in prison. Behrman has ordered Epstein to remain behind bars until trial after concluding he is a danger to the community and a flight risk. His lawyers have argued that an agreement reached with federal prosecutors a dozen years ago disallows the charges, and they say he has committed no new crimes. On Monday, Behrman ordered lawyers in the case against Epstein to meet prior to Wednesday's hearing and discuss how the case will proceed, including the timing of pretrial written arguments over legal issues and when a trial should be scheduled. Epstein, 66, was arrested July 6 when he arrived at a New Jersey airport on a private jet from Paris, where he has a home.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.